Greetings everyone, Jake Bernstein with the 2chimps.net report for the week beginning November the 23rd, Monday. Sorry for the delay, this recording being made at 6 a.m. in California. Let's begin the usual way. We're going to go to the S&P chart, and we're looking at the weekly chart now. And as you can see, the weekly chart remains in an uptrend. If you follow the moving average channel method, these two weekly bars below the bottom of the channel were not sell triggers because we did not have Williams below its moving average. We also indicated to you there would be considerable resistance up here at the highs, and that is developing right now. On a weekly basis, the trend remains higher. On a daily basis, we did not have sell triggers either. We had two bars below the bottom of the channel, which would be a 2-day CMC if you understand the trading methodology. And we expected resistance up at these levels, and that resistance is developing. Overall, we remain bullish. If you go to the monthly chart, it's been a beautiful trade for investors to buy the bottom of the channel, and again, no surprise to see considerable resistance at the highs over here. I showed you the seasonal trade. So let's go to the seasonal trade specifically, which says to buy S&P futures, close the trading March the 20th, get out, November the 20th, exit on the close of trading December the 4th. The stop is 3% close only. The first profit target is 17.23 S&P points with 81.8% accuracy. 3% is a lot to risk on the S&P, but there are ways to mitigate this loss by using different vehicles. Another point of very considerable importance is this one right over here. Let me show you the pre-holiday trade. Over the last 62 years or more, the behavior of the S&P, the Dow Jones, prior to a holiday, in this case Thanksgiving holiday, has been to close higher. So what would the strategy be exactly? Buy S&P futures on the close of trading Tuesday, get out on the close of trading Wednesday, because Thursday is a Thanksgiving holiday. The accuracy has been 73%, meaning that 73% of the time the Dow Jones has closed higher on the Wednesday than it did on the Tuesday prior to Thanksgiving holiday. That's a seasonal trade. So overall, we remain bullish on stocks. We continue to believe that buying the bottom of the channel and moving at channel support is the best thing you can do. Certainly there are risks. Now, one issue with greatest condolences to all the French people who suffered this terrible tragedy. The market has rejected the importance of this news by first selling off and then buying, and then showing strong recovery as traders rush in to buy at support. This market has all the indications to me of a continued bull trend. I don't see any end in sight, at least until the early part of January, so we remain bullish. That does it for today. Jake Bernstein signing off. We'll talk to you again next week. If you have questions, please don't hesitate.